Today, we're going to bring a new device. It's actually a laser for cats, and it also acts as an actual lamp, and it has different modes. Now, the great thing about this device is that if you notice, there is a little mechanism in here where you actually could actually control the actual lighting effects right here, and an indication of how much charge you have. Of course, there's a lot of things you can do on this device. It's a great device, not just a laser for your cat pointer, but also you can use it for a night flashlight. That's pretty much what you can do. Now, another great thing is that they not just you just get one device, but you get three devices in one. And of course, you could charge it through your USB Type A connection if you want to. It's up to you. You know, some of these connections are very difficult to set up, but this is very simple. You don't need anything else. You could just plug and play, and it'll get to the next step level. Now, like I said, it has different interfaces for Lazer. There's a happy face, there's a mouse, and a star. My favorites will actually start playing the cat. These are all the interfaces you're gonna get when you get something like this, but it's a great item to have and to, like you say, to hold if you ever want to, take a look at night. Instead of use a laser, you could use the actual light lamp, and of course your cats will love it. And of course it comes with a UV light. That's another indication too. So if you're gonna see other things with the UV, you go to a hotel and you want to make sure it's sanitized, this is a perfect thing to carry with you in your purse.
It doesn't even show. What is that? Are they eating?